Dipalshri and welcome to Glam Shades, the place where I test and review products so that you don't have to. Well, this time जो product हमारे पास है जिसको हम review करने वाले हैं, it is one of the most favorite makeup item of all the Indian women out there. Well, I'm talking about kajal. और ये कोई ऐसा वैसा काजल नहीं है. This is by Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Gel Kajal. तो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, Lakme needs no introduction. Whether you're a beginner or you're an expert, Lakme has always been one of the most important brands in our makeup routine. Being there in the beauty industry for over 50 years and crafted for the quintessential Indian women, it has created some amazing products when it comes to makeup as well as skincare. So, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, the packaging is really nice. It is a combination of rose gold and green, and it gives a very cute and classic aesthetic to the brand. Brand का name बहुत अच्छे highlighted तरीके से लिखा गया है. When you open it, you will find two items inside it. The first thing is obviously the kajal with this pot format वाले size में. It's very travel friendly and you can carry it anywhere, whether आप college में जा रहे हैं या office. Very travel friendly, you guys, and you will also find this brush with it, जो कि help करेगा आपको to apply the kajal. Well guys, the gel kajal is first of its kind क्योंकि इस बार Lakme has made sure that it has infused some great ingredients like aloe vera and calendula oil. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, aloe vera is really good. Start by unrolling the lid of the gel kajal. This product is accompanied by a handy brush to ensure that you don't need to carry any additional one with you all the time. After applying the concealer and eye primer, dip the brush into the gel formula. To avoid any lumps while application, gently wipe the brush on the sides to get rid of any excess product. With a gentle hand, pull the skin around your eyes tight and run the brush from the inner corner of the lower lash line towards the outer edge in one stroke. You can repeat the same on the upper lash line to use it as an eyeliner. You can also create some amazing looks by also going for the winged one. अगर आपने पहले कभी Lakme के 9 to 5 range को use किया है, then you must be knowing that it is specially designed for the busy women on the go, ताकि आपको पूरे दिन भर टचअप करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. जी हाँ, सबसे खास बात मुझे ये लगती है कि इन्होंने खास तरीके से इसको बनाया है सिटी लाइफ के भागदौड़ वाली जिंदगी के लिए, जहाँ आपको पोल्यूशन से भी बचत मिल जाती है. जी हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें है कुछ खास इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक एलोवेरा एंड कैलेंडुला ऑयल. इस ब्रश की सबसे ज्यादा खास बात मुझे ये लगी कि इसमें जो ब्रिसल्स हैं वो काफी ज्यादा थिन है, so that it can reach and access to the hard to reach corners of the eye. Not just this, मुझे personally experience wise लगता है that this gel kajal is so much better than the eye pencil क्योंकि इसके color pigments काफी ज्यादा bold हैं, ताकि आप सुबह इसको बस एक बार अप्लाई करें and then you're good to go for the entire day. Despite how tired you are, it is essential to ensure that you take off all traces of makeup, especially around the eyes. The skin renews itself while sleeping, and when it is weighed down or clogged with product, it causes fatigue and dullness around the eyes. Since the area around the eyes is delicate, it helps you use a dedicated eye makeup remover instead of just using the same one that you do for your face. Pour a pea-sized amount of eye makeup remover on the cotton pad and then place it lightly against the waterline of the eyes before swiping it across from the inner corner to the outer corner. And that's it, you're good to go. Well guys, there you go. If you're looking for the perfect kajal, I think you should definitely go for this gel kajal by Lakme, and it deserves a special place in the makeup bag. Not just this, I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you next time with a new and exciting product. Till then, stay tuned for more videos.